The Warthog Defense already reported that Russian soldiers are jailed in Donbas because they refuse to fight in Ukraine. Now a new report from Maxim Grebenyuk, a Russian lawyer who runs the Moscow-based advocacy organization Military Ombudsman, says that at least 4 Russian troops filed written complaints about their treatment in Ukraine. The soldiers demanded that their superiors be punished for detaining them over their refusal to fight. Grebenyuk said that he was in possession of accounts of at least 70 Russian soldiers who have been held as prisoners. He also described how an additional 70 are believed to have been detained for refusing to fight. In one letter sent to Russian prosecutors on Monday, a soldier revealed how he was detained for over a week and moved between facilities across Russian-occupied Luhansk. The soldier said that he refused to fight in the war over what he believed were tactical and strategic mistakes made by his commanders, as well as their total disregard for human life. The soldier appeared to make reference to the Russian military's propensity to target civilian facilities and residential areas. Last week, Grebenyuk also revealed how hundreds of soldiers have requested help chasing payments promised to them by the Kremlin. Grebenyuk described how wounded Russian soldiers were not receiving payments worth 3 million rubles, roughly 50,000 United States dollars, which were guaranteed to them by Russian President Vladimir Putin. The claims paint a sorry picture of Russian soldiers' morale as the war in Ukraine, which the Kremlin expected would last only a matter of weeks, approaches its 6th month. Statements written by imprisoned soldiers also revealed that many Russian troops not only oppose the Russian military's tactics, which the Kremlin has repeatedly denied constitute war crimes, but also believe the war effort is futile. Poland's foreign intelligence agency, Agencja released intercepted phone calls in June that reveal how Russian soldiers feel about the Ukraine invasion. The intercepted calls, purportedly between Russian soldiers, reveal how soldier morale is running low as the Kremlin grows increasingly desperate. Polish security officials said during a press briefing in late June that the recordings reveal how the reality in the ranks of the Russian army is a far cry from propagandist messages. The Polish officials said that frustration is mounting among the Russian soldiers and that they fear being forced to take part in further battles. Many are taking steps to avoid further involvement in military operations against Ukraine, they said, a claim that supports the stories of soldiers represented by Maxim Grebenyuk and Military Ombudsman. With morale running low, Russian President Vladimir Putin faces the challenge of deploying sufficient troops with sufficient ammunition and weapons to Ukraine's eastern and southern regions. All the while, the Russians face a growing threat from US-supplied HIMARS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.